Yes. Come on, yeah. Oh my, I'll be like, yeah, guess I'm just yeah. I mean, I'm advising. Discard. Was mo vai, da hora de estar falando. No, yeah. Feel good, just pop my collar. So many I'm on So they have playing. Supposed to be a batting that I have. Mm. Well, don't sit back that you. You're my fucking dog. So come on, go. Come boy, come. One ass dog. Okay. Don't know I'm a game, my guy. Don't know. Bro, why not you keep on a camera? DLG Nick. Up there, up Nick, bro. Suck your mother then. That's what you know. Well, look about him man there. I put that, I put a vending machine in a mama fan down there. Come a camera out of the store. I put a vending machine say quick and everything. One, 2v1 is stinker shit. You trash. Machine and map and down there. After, I never buy see I never find it. Talk about him, man. So I'm gonna play people like this, daddy, man. Password 1000, man. Real I'm girl. Pussy, watch him. Suck your air, man. Man, ask that. Watch out. Watch out, man, yeah. Watch this, man. Yeah, I like no recharge. I like done already. When it done, it no recharge, man. Ja. Man, man, I like no recharge, you know, I like it. I like no recharge.
First blood.
Grass bug, yes, man. Pussy. Yo, up Zeke, dog. I'm too crack for this soap. My dad's too crack for this soap. Vest me down there. Well, I'm a vest. Man, ass dog. I best investment on right. I just want to mess up, dog. Man, still will shoot me. I'm gonna mess up. It's them ass inside. Ask me scan done. Up, wrong. Yo, man, them 6 bill subs. Alright, too late. No. 6 bill subs. Watch out, you see this? What the fuck? If I come pick me up in the dark, I see all them things are bad, man. Go Billy boy, we can't even crouch eyes coming and shoot me when he see me and stand up, dog. All of my HP gone and a couple make it alone, man. First me see this, that look a bat. Man, ask your fuck.
First blood. Double kill. First blood.
Yeah, I see the look bad. Look at Billy, yo, right there, I see. Yeah, Jet Boy must be sorry. The man at ours, bad man. I don't mind for that. Oh, be a foolish man. You know? take care of madam. I'm too nothing I go for that. You don't know? They take, yeah, they take care of me. Man, come with mama. I'm for job. No, nigga, I'm not keeping on. Yeah, tell him I show him money to me, I don't know. You got yeah, mess up and cha. No, girl, man. Give me the daily.
Double kill.
Bad man ass. Now come on. Password on the 60 now, wait there. Me I fix my map. The vending machine. The vending machine. I can't vending machine for this morning. I'm switching more to the whiteboard and machine. I can't use vending machine. Make it clear, so I do not have vending machine or anything. So the vending machine more vending machine. Shotgun. shit, yo. Yo, I'm change it. Shotgun, empty. Yeah, and then next category. I need make it. To make that my buy a copy, make it. What which other gun that good fit? Put in a right. Oh, desert eagle. No, cheap, something. That's same. Yeah, like man, put in a if so you tell me say two different man. Oh, this is a wipeout version. Well, I wipeout version. So yeah, then. Eddie, never. Faster than two. What the fuck? Damn, 1v1. Cannot make my chill. You got some milk mark there. Password 1000. Password 1000. I can't make. Nobody else not there, man. 1v1. I got both of them. Meet him up here. See him. I have the next one. The next one, I can't have a switch on. I just have friendly machine. It's great. I'm up simple, so boost. Nah, man, I don't time for you. You see. It's great. I'm up to the one that boost. So song came out there. Yo, the mafia boy. I'm gonna fix it them up again. Got to put back in. Shit, me there for no grow wall. Back out and I'm back out and I'm I delete that my friend. Go back to my normal. One more time, one more time. Oh yeah. I used to delete them up, bro. Edit, what am I edit, bro? I'm edit, bro. Yes, I'm gonna update this and let's create it. In fact, I'm gonna carry them with a fair switch. Take out them running. Now give me a set then, now give me a set. I'm a mic on. If I say, oh, me, I take me that darkness. Save this all. But anyway, the fact that my camera failed. Take. Password 1000 man, I'm gonna join up quick. I add some people to my list. Join up quick, man. Join up quick. Password 1000 for everybody join. Password 1000. Join up quick before everybody join. Barnes password 1000. Hey, Gary, yeah, man, script. That's in here, friend, get box of regular chapter. Yeah, sir, admin. Maybe to the guy with a mountain, sensory galman function, something, synthesis action. I would have boom, I will say on the back of the jam box because when I get bored, I can't radio. Back of the jam box. But the boom with it. I'm on join quick, I look like live they gone. I'm on join quick, quick. I don't want to show by my side, you know. Showing about that. like how no like my mouth, man. Like how no like. Nobody no star, man. Nobody no steal. No subscribe to my mouth, nothing. Just stay dead, so. No stay dead. Man just dead, so.
Double
I
kill.
know me that dead. I just know. Past 1,000. Must know me that dead. All that piece of shit. Your ass. Your ass showing ass. Man, come in and come on as well. And your ass, man. Jesus. I'm dead as fuck. Dead, my 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 dead. My dead, my nose, part of my
Double
nose.
kill.
Please don't get you. See, watch out to the man him they even want to see if my dog. First, what kind of phone it was? What kind of phone it is? 8 plus, nigga. Oh man, tell you.
Quadra kill.
I'm never take up. Man, this is yo, my suit fix me something. No, man, I'm gonna take off. No. Nah, man, boss him brain. Bro, come on. Come on, nigga.
Double
Come
kill.
on, bitch. Jesus Christ. You know, I do what ya? Nice. Nice, J Dog. Nice.
Triple
Nice.
kill.
Nice, J Dog. Nice. Nice, man. Nice. man, damn, eat the man, yeah, me eat the man, eat the man, eat the man, eat the man.
First
Grab a
blood.
more class. See me eat the man.
Double kill.
Man, it just in my back, dog, in my back. And then the hottest thing is, that's the M10. M10 not touch him back, you know. M10 not touch him. Come here, man. Just to give it eat the man, eat the man, eat the man. My sick, my boy, hey. The man from the man. So cool, hey, Baki Bomb, hey boy, Sean, I see you are next.
Double kill. Double kill.
So, yeah, telling me. No ass, no ass, no ass, no ass. And nobody that if I'm saying protect me, no, because no just ass. No, Sam, I tell me, I tell me, I tell me. I never even marry, man. I say, fuck. 1v1 in 1v1 man, dead, man. My man's a murder. Body know the dead. What's that? You see all them things there, bad man. Watch out, yeah. You know that about none of my cousins, but you.
Help me!
Triple kill.
I keep me up to the moment I'm custom. Tobacco from yeah, me a chat. If you love God like him, crack LOL. Because I know I'm a crack and then I could bat it. I know more than you want to night. I lose. I just, yeah. Just that. Paul said I want to. But lose dog. I'm not coming in with my mind because so cat batty boy so. You know, I like him from day one, you know, man. You can't join. I'm jamming out my bunny. Man. I'm jamming for fun. At least I'm me, I did. Yeah, I didn't like it. This one, don't you forget. Don't you forget. That's what you did say to me. I don't get me. Yeah, talk, boy. No, you can't do it. I want them alone, man. A long, long time. Man, you can't. We are married. Mark can't even crouch eyes. My master can never name me. Him can't name him. Them could back here that I could be here. Man them six bills man.
First blood. Double kill.
That's one I done. So many times I get box shot. That Giant Energy, my next one thing. Be a batty man, batty na mo. You never in a custom. No 1v1. Up. Zaki, you for move and go in Zaki. You Zaki. Okay. Zaki for move and go in. Zaki for go.
Double kill.
Zaki for go jump up and see and watch it. Zaki for go jump off.
First blood.
It's a man job of box shot.
Double
Box
kill.
shot everything. The fuck? Yeah, sir. Yeah, so good. You never be easy. Nah, that. Whatever. are mad but only here.
First blood.
And now pass one shit. Yeah, oh. Yeah, Zachary lucky, you know. Zachary lucky. I'm gonna lie, two, what can I go along with?
Double kill. Triple kill.
Nah, back in jump off and did. Zachary for jump off and just jump off, stay jump off.
Quadra kill.
Wow, this man talk about sexy. Sexy not until we not must next year. This man come talk about sexy. And first me see this. First me see is don't make him tell you look, cause sexy is not till next year. In June and July. This man about CXC. Nigga, just come on. Get out, get out. Nobody come tell me life on the CXC. Get out, exactly. I tell me life on the CXC, nigga. Are you capping? I always drop that. Oh, Lord. Which job that? Which job that? Yeah? Says the what? Nigga Uber. We must feel like me and you ain't same thing, exactly. Me and you different, exactly there. Me and exactly different. I goes to a better school than exactly. I got higher grades than exactly. Exactly. Ooh, nigga, I'm a double. This nigga, I'm only play FIFA, man. Street, nigga. For a bun game, like, what? That is that tell life and CX, you just, like.
Double kill.
And this man a play rank this one. Bro, where you even come from, nigga? You come here rank match, come mash up rank match. Come dead like somebody. You don't know how you, yeah, that's how I kick you out of match. That's how I kick. How you even find my channel, by the way? Zachary, I want to see me and you saying my door button give like Zachary, my door play free fire, nigga. Like what? All when me and see me play free fire. Bumbo, you like a billion like. Yeah, me and the man up here right this morning for a stream, what you mean? I mean, me and the man I play on stream, me and the man that play around just a while before I start playing. So, the man never like this more like 7 o'clock them time. Them time I'm in my bed I watch TV, nigga. Don't know that time, I don't play Free Fire. Run me a stream. New year, nothing. And I play the game of
Double kill.
Hold on. The man probably be psycho to have him, nigga. The man probably be psycho to get him. I'ma get banned. You can't just sell, nigga. Just get it with that. I get banned, sure. Oh, exactly. It can't do me nothing, nigga. This man I say him don't do me nothing, dog. What you talking? Can play sure. Password 1000. Password 1000. Exactly just play again. Sure, bro. Sure, bro. Sure. I'm crackers. Don't go out for Exactly. Every child they play the game every single day, exactly. If you could never get banned or whatever, they play the game. You not play this game, I can't say only on my stream is online, and otherwise, I'm a dad out there, they will go. So, you know. If I'm just a stream, I just come online, you know. No. Ready? Go on, I'm a little bit, nigga. Whatever, yeah, I could get banned up, yeah. I only play on my stream. I'm gonna stream like long like that. Stream to about 3 hours, 4 hours. And one time I only stream to 8 hours. Somebody feel it. Alright, I'm gonna feel it to end because I'm not getting no vibe, I'm not no vibe. I'm a FIFA and I'm buying it, I'm not in this car, you know, my day I give me vibes. Saying I'm a FIFA and you know. And I'm playing around to have vibes. I'm playing nothing.
First blood.
I say, bro, I should look at my around guns. I'm so much gear for whatever. That's fine. Yeah,
Double kill.
So my team MP and family realize that Zeke up on the other live stream. And because he loading. So that's the he loading that exactly. Yeah, watch. Sure, exactly, sure. I just came to tell I don't tell them like see, do not even start there to start it. I know, forget get done so I will go study. The school year literally just begin, and this man I talk about CXC, like if I feel I'm fully done, it's like a nigga, like just get out of here, bro. School year just 1 week ago. That's that week as school year start. This is the
Double
first week
kill.
at school, and this man I come tell me, nigga, get out, bro. I free fire.
Triple kill.
This man on free fire, Akka.
Quadra kill.
Fuck. This is a free fire, Akka, dog. Man. Nah, I'm free fire. I thought money there, you know what I'm saying? Alright, bro. Don't know what they're talking about.
First blood. Double kill.
Come pick me up, come pick me up, come pick me up. Come on, pick me up, come on, pick me up, come on, pick me up. Pick me up and let me down, let me down, let me down. Let's get it, but no. If I end,
Double kill.
Nah, no, why I'm not buying in a disc.
Double kill. Triple kill.
Man love, man love. What the fuck? How that even possible? Man, what the fuck?
First blood.
This man not dead. I'm gonna fuck yeah. This messy man, the man off.
Double kill.
How the hell that even possible, bro?
Double
I
kill.
don't know what to do, what to say. That don't possible. so me have for that is up more 10%.
Kill.
And then the thing do that.
Double
Yeah, I'm
kill.
a bomb boy, man. Shit bugger at the moment. Shit like never back down, never what? Never give up. Never back down, never what? Never give up. What the fuck, bro? Oh yeah, that. Honest, John, more even do a 2 hour stream. I'm gonna do a team for the rank match. Do a rank match because I don't want any man. I even do a 2 hour stream today. You know, anything I'm gonna come back later and move another. I'm gonna do that come back later. You are in. I feel for end. I feel for end. So, but you know that I wear me and pound for again. Oh yeah, super the boy name pound for that. See him. Super the boy name. But that me a pound for my pound for end because I not really feel it kind of. I'm boring. Everybody must see that Gideon. I'm going to that Gideon first. I know that he never come again. BR playing. Yeah, BR me playing. Offset the money, Chris, man. Delete that one. You know, I'm gonna feed me, go stream about later. Later, I know that I'm gonna feel the vibes that, you know. Dream about later, man. I'm out to see. Oh, there's no feeling that. Clear one much. Ezekiel. Clear one much. That squad awesome. You got
Battle Royale. Battlefield style.
no that Billy the ass. Billy they run off from me. Billy run go upstairs. See, you know them Billy that run off Billy run go upstairs to pussy please. Billy know it's not going in and Billy run go upstairs. Don't run off from me. Billy I don't want to fuck. I'm gonna kill Billy. Nobody that bad in the way I travel. You know all that up there, sir? Why? That nigga. What in man Mario, any man. You come late Mario dog. Any dog. Crap man, crap man. No my crack. Don't tell me. Next flip for me, next Vibe, me a end stream next game. Probably later my stream though. Later. Can't get your number. Yeah, this one. I don't like guys. Man. Number 876 86 195. 876 86 195.
Dominating.
Okay, look on it. Where? gang bang. The same with them that kill me, you know. Tight. Man, I time now 8686195. You must understand that, man. I'm tired now, tired. Yeah, man, I don't have time for that. As we keep our pandit. 8686195. 8686195.
Double kill.
Zeke and dead. Can play. Nah, see me, I'm going to dead too.
Killing
Alliance.